So Jack here had an awesome idea. What we need to do is paint the boards with chalkboard paint, and then what did you say? Write rules on them.
Rules on them, yeah. So when whoever pulls it out has to follow that rule. Or, yeah.
Jack, legend. We'll have you over for drinks. So we're using, what timber are we using?
90 by 45 millimeter.
Yep. And yeah, 90 by 45 and 5.4 meter in length. We got them to cut it all in half. Oh, 570s, and then we're going to go home and drop saw another half of it.
Yeah.
Yes, this is going to be awesome. All right, so the price of it all was about $117 buckaroonies.
Hey mate.
Hi guys, how you going?
Good.
That's good to hear.
Wood's there.
Yep.
Paint and brusher here.
Paint, brush.
Yep.
I think that's all been cut up because otherwise you've got a lot of stuff there.
Yeah, we bought some assembly required, 5.4 meter length.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah, so the price was $117 plus all the love and generosity that goes into making this.
Yep.
So hope you like your present, Isa. What's the length?
Huh?
What's the length?
Well, there'll be 285.
Okay.
Did you actually turn it on?
Yeah. Did you plug it in?
Yeah, plug it in. You've got the cables.
Happy with that?
Yeah, that's pretty big.
Now we gotta take it home, sand it down, make it pretty.
A little bit of pressure on them, they don't.
So the idea is that we send them down nice and smoothly, so obviously they'll be able to slide out, and if we send one and another one and an odd one a little bit harder, then obviously you'll have those imperfections that will allow the Jenga to be a Jenga. Isn't that right?
That's right.
That's right. I mean, we've never done this, so hopefully we're right. Oh, so that was 20 minutes worth of painting. So write the rules on each block, and then the blocks go in, and then when you pull the block out, you basically have to do what it says on the block. I think it's going to be a good idea. Yes, now to build the box. Build the box.
Build a box.
Okay, so we've made the box. We're having a couple of scotches because it's dark and late.
And we're using a saw.
Yep, safety first though. Yeah, we've got spark plugs. I mean, safety switches. Safety switches.
Yes. Cool.
No. I told you another millimetre off.
If I'd taken another millimetre off, they would have been really loose.
No, on that one. Yeah.
So this is, when they ask, it's so the dirt falls out, because you're playing it outside. It's an outside game.
Yep. Okay, so the box is completed. Got some spacing for
Dirt to fall through.
that's what it is. Oh, it's heavy, it's sturdy.
Yep.
So we're going to send it down now, attach some handles, and she's done. Very happy with this project.
I'm pretty happy. This one's made with a lot of love.
A lot of love, Isa. Hope you like it. Hope you love it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've attached the handles. Got the handles going. How's the handles going,
The
Mark?
handles are going very, very well. I just want to make sure they're tight.
Toy. Toy.
Tight.
Alright. So now we're
Alright.
going to load in the Jenga.
So we go.
Toy.
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 Toy. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you.
Alright, lift it up. Let's see how heavy it is.
Yeah, that's okay.
25 kilos or?
What do you reckon?
I reckon that is
Yeah.
possibly 20 to 25.
No. Oh, Jesus! Oh, yeah. That's a good 25 kilos. Oh, Alan, you want to try?
No, thank you. Too young for this one.
He needs his back.
Holy
I
crap.
am too young.
Alright, Isa, we hope you enjoyed this. Tomorrow is the unveiling, it's your birthday. That is bloody heavy.
It doesn't, nothing, see, good thing is nothing falls out when you,
Yeah, we've made it sturdy.
I'm pretty happy with that.
Alright, revelation time. Happy birthday, Isa. Come on. Very excited.
Where am I going?
Over there,
Oh my god.
for the reveal. Hope you enjoy your present.
Oh my
It took a lot of... Mark, leave it, let her do it. Took a lot of effort.
Someone had uncovered it.
What am I meant to do?
Pull it off.
It's a towel!
I'm scared.
Keep pulling it.
Oh jeez. The balloon. What is it meant to be?
What do you think it is?
Shut up, dogs.
Jenga?
Yes, Giant Jenga.
Nice.
There's something inside.
See?
There's something inside.
What do you mean
There's a
inside?
paper in there.
Spiders.
Have a whaley good birthday.
Nice.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, you didn't have to say how old I was.
Look at the things.
Nothing.
No, don't ignore the card. I mean, read the card later. Don't ignore the card.
Yeah, what?
There was no money.
It's
so it's not really a
it's
birthday
custom
card.
made by us.
Yeah.
It took us 2 days to make it.
Continue painting it?
No,
No.
that streak is whiteboard chalk paint,
So
so you can write
So-
rules on there.
Oh.
Like, you know, if you pull that one out, you got to do 10 push-ups or
Okay.
shots of vodka.
Oh wow.
Yeah, you just got to buy some chalk,
This is going to be a good Easter game.
and it's very light. It's lightweight. Try to lift it.
yeah, just
I'm
like
okay, I'll probably
40
flip my
kilos.
skirt.
Yeah, it's about 40 kilos actually. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it
Very
good?
good. Very good.
Do you like it?
Good idea.
very good.
Just tap it lightly.
No, it is.
It's not meant to be easy.
Yeah, but like,
So what do you reckon?
It's meant
well,
to have some
how are
kind of
you even
danger.
meant to? Where are you meant to start?
Choose a food. Find one that comes out.
I basically think the
Haven't you
rules
played
are-
Giant Jenga before?
No.
It's just
played
like Giant
Jenga, though.
Scrabble.
This is exactly the same, but we're going to end up having to have a scoreboard of best brews from playing.
Yeah.
The other giant one I played was like this.
Aren't they normally polished though? No, maybe you can.
Oh!
That's going. Where's Julia?
That is pretty good.
Oh my gosh.
And final verdict.
It's very good.
There we go.